Okay, we're going to try to solve a multiplication problem using the Gelosia or Gelosia method. And what we're going to do is we're going to start, let's say we want to do 256 times 394. So we're going to start with a 3 by 3 because we have two 3-digit numbers. Of course, if you had one 2-digit number, you could always write, let's say it was 256 times 94, you could always put a 0 in the 3 slot. So it would be 094. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a pretty little flower, like your book does. And we're going to put these numbers in, 256, 394, and we put these diagonals in. Okay. And what we're going to do here is we're now just going to do these multiplications. For example, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 9 is 54, 6 times 4 is 24, we get 15, 45, and 5 times 4 is 20, and then O there, because 2 times 3 is just 6, 18, and then 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so now here's what we do. We start with the bottom right triangle, and that's just a 4, so I write it there. And then we go to the next shape, which is this here. That's 0, 2, 4. So I put a 2 plus 4 here, which is a 6. Okay. Next, I'm going to look at this thing here, this shape here, and I am going to add all of those together. So I get 28. So I put an 8 here, and then I have 2 I need to add to this. Okay, well, I have 8 plus 10, that's 18 plus 2, that's going to make that 20. So I'm going to put a 0 here, and I'm going to add the 2 from the 20 over to here. Well, I have 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. So that's going to be 10. So I'm going to put the 0, the right digit, over there. I'm going to carry the 1 over to this triangle here. And that gives me a final answer of 100864. So basically what we did is we multiplied each of the numbers. We wrote 1 digit on the top triangle and 1 digit in the bottom triangle in each of the squares. Then we start with the triangles, and we add up the numbers. Well, not the triangles, but these little shapes here. We add up the numbers. If it's a 1-digit number, we just write it in the nice little flower petal that we have. If it's a 2-digit number, we write the singles digit, and we just carry over whatever's left. And that gave us 100864, which is indeed the answer to 256 times 394.